right, same thing, across. Can you believe it? He's done.
Look at that.
We have achieved ropage without a clay gun. If you don't have a clay gun, this is how you want to do it. Okay. And since it's two twisted ropes, they don't have to be exactly exact, because, well, I guess if it was a real rope, it would be, wouldn't it? Because, never mind. Okay, let's get this on here and be done with it. Okay, so bring your cake to yourself, to your rope. Okay, here we go. Up. Now this one's a little bit trickier because it's so high, but it went right up there. Alrighty. Look at that. Now you tell me, where does it start and where does it stop? Nice job. See, that's how pretty that looks. And that just kind of covers up any boo-boos or dings or whatever you might have in your cake. And okay, so here we have our beautifully covered and roped off tiered cake. It's 6, 8, and 10. It's on a turntable, so I can kind of see, kind of judge where I want to put everything. I thought we'd just put like a little bouquet up on top, and then we'll put another grouping of flowers a little lower, maybe, you know, here and then down here, just to kind of set it off. So here we go. First of all, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take your just your plain icing, because you got to have something for these flowers to attach to.
Now you just got these right out of the refrigerator.
I just got these right out of the freezer. They've been in there 15 minutes or so. You can put them in the refrigerator also. It doesn't have to be, they don't have to be frozen solid. But this way I can pick them up and move them around, and they're not going to melt in my hands,
Gotcha.
hopefully. So that way, because that icing was pretty soft. So
They're buttercream, so you don't want to handle them too much.
they are buttercream. You don't want to touch them as little as you absolutely can. Okay, so let's start with the top, and we're just going to put a mound of icing up here. Now,
Can you make a noise? Can you... So that's my thing.
your thing.
I like to make the noise.
You make the noise. Okay. Squish. Okay. So we're just going to make a mound. Doesn't have to be pretty. And if you wanted to, since this is a black cake, you might want to have used chocolate, just because it's darker and you don't have to worry too much about trying to cover it up. But that's not really going to be an issue. We're going to put a lot of leaves and a lot of little filler things in here. So let's go ahead and start just placing our flowers on here. Let's start with one of these little things here. These, they just peel right off, and you just place them right on top there. Try hard not to knock your petals off if you can help it. So let's get one of these guys right up here. Let's see how that goes, and then we'll get another one of these. Just kind of placing them all around the top here. Come around, I can see what I'm doing here. So let's see, let's get one of these over here. All the different colors it looks right there. Okay, see, just kind of flipped it around there. And how about this pretty little purple one here? If you don't have enough icing down below for it to stick to, just add a little more icing to it so it comes out, so it has something to grab onto. See how I just put another little piece there.
Is that a blob?
Another little blob, another blobbage. But you do have a little bit of time to work. I just smeared. I need a towel, a rag. Hey, I have an apron. I'll use that. Okay, so there we go. We're gonna just put that in there. Now we can do another one of these. Let's put him up here. Okay, so there we have pretty much covered the top. At this point, we're going to go back and put leaves and stuff on there, so don't panic. We're not done yet.
Okay.
Okay.